Mr. MP Singh joins us, represents RVNL. Let's connect with him. So, Mr. Singh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Now, despite a strong order book of 97,000 crore, execution has lagged expectations. What are the key challenges, and how do you see execution improving from it should be Q4, not Q3, Q4 onwards?
Yeah, thank you very much. As you said, getting order is one of the important part, but execution is also important to maintain the top line. And RVNL is poised to improve the further the execution methodology by deploying various methods, be it HR realignment or deployment of technology in form of AI, BI, and extensive monitoring of the projects. And simultaneously, we hope to improve our working capital also, so that all the projects get their due share, and we are able to improve upon execution, not only from our traditional railway orders, but also orders we have received from various sectors by diversifying.
Very good morning to you, sir. This is Shello also joining in the conversation. Yes, execution is supposed to be one of the most critical and crucial part, but I wanted to understand about your 8,000 crore rupees revenue target that you actually have for this sort of a quarter. How confident are you of achieving that, as well as the full year guidance of about 21,000 crore rupees that you had laid down earlier on?
Yeah, thank you, Saril. We are quite hopeful, and we have accelerated our execution in Q4, and currently we are on the path to achieve our target of revenue of 21,000 crore, and we certainly hope to even improve the turnover during this quarter, so that our revenue target for the current year is met.
Let's talk about the entire railway industry also, because you have the railway budget. It was maintained, the budget estimates were maintained for the railways. How much do you think now railways will contribute to your order inflows, and also can we assume that your growth in FY26 will be much more stable rather than being incremental?
Yeah, as you said, the capex expenditure in railway sector continue to be at the same level as was in last year, and during the course of year, it may also increase during the various budget estimates. And railway continue to be one of our prime sector, and we hope to further improve the order books from railways. In the recent past, we have won many orders from railways in field of triplicating and doubling of the railway projects. And we hope to improve our strike rate in railway projects during the current financial year. Currently, our order book from railways is around 47,000 crore from the assigned projects, and roughly 8,000 crore from the project we have won through bidding in open market. And railway being a prime sector for the logistic movement, and Government of India hopes to improve its logistic efficiency by diverting some of the traffics to the railway sector, utilizing its inherent efficiencies. So we hope to see a good future for the railway in coming financial years.
Mr. Singh, I also wanted to talk about, your international orders, because from what we understand, almost about 4,500 crore rupees is your international order book. And out of that, 10% is coming in from competitive bids. What's your plan to scale this up to, say, 40 to 50%?
Thank you. Our current order book, as you said, is roughly around 4,500 crore from our international orders, and out of which it is diversified in port sector, transmission line, and solar sectors. And in coming financial year, we want to certainly improve upon our international order books, because from the as we hope, the revenue and margins from the international orders are much better as compared to the domestic orders. And we are focusing on 2-3 major sectors to improve our international order book. One is, of course, railways. We are eyeing project in Peru through government to government contracting, and our team has gone there recently, and we see a bright future there. Simultaneously, we have bidded for the railway projects in Turkey, which are under finalization, and we hope to have our footprints in GCC regions also, where a lot of opportunities in railway sector is coming. Simultaneously, we hope to see growth coming in railway sector from the East European countries also, in Albania, Romania, etc. And we hope to win significant orders from those areas also. And as you said, our target is to have our international order book to the extent of 30% in next 3 financial years.
Right. I just wanted to understand about Vande Bharat, because that order has been delayed due to design and scope finalizations. So with the first actually prototype now expected only in H1 of calendar year 26 instead of H2 of this calendar year. Are you confident? How confident are you of achieving that? Because this sort of a delay in the Vande Bharat order also is a cause of concern when you talk about the entire railway sector.
Vande Bharat order is very important order for us, along with our joint venture partner TMH Russia. There was some delays primarily due to some changes contemplated by ministry for composition of the Vande Bharat train set from 16 to 24 coaches. But now that issue has been resolved amicably, and now we hope to see the first prototype of Vande Bharat rolling in next financial year FY25-26, maybe by say May 26, we hope to see.
Right. Mr. Singh, such a pleasure having you on the show today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.